This is a really, really useful exercise for us at Travelport. It's the first time I have ever seen the customer journey mapped from end to end in such a way that we can communicate to our sales team, to other departments within the business, to let them know how much we're investing in customer experience and what difference this is really going to make with the interactions that the customers have with us.
I think we have pockets of understanding of our customers' experiences kind of along product lines or along self-help tool lines, whatever, but I think this will help us really start to look at the experience as a total journey from beginning to end.
Like I say, we are transforming it, so it's a very difficult moment in time. We are moving from systems that have been in place 15 years long, where customers had a certain view of the way they wanted to be supported. They start to realize as well how they need to transform, and we need to have the right technology at the right time, the right process and the right approach as well to match that change.
The structure of the day is quite straightforward. It's basically a series of steps in a process, and it's quite simple. And I think that's what suddenly became aware. It's really fairly straightforward, and it gives you a straightforward way to do something that's quite complex, but it comes up with an output that's quite easy to understand.
I think that we've kind of started down the path already, but this helps us, this is towards the beginning really, to help us define what our journey looks like, what our goals are, and where are the points and places that we can really focus attention.
And this has been a very good way of getting us to think collectively and to focus on an area and then collectively come up with some really good suggestions of how to tackle that issue, that moment of truth.
I think it's brilliant. The journey mapping really formalises breaking it down into its parts. It makes you really quite disciplined in the way you work out how you work today, what the opportunities are, what the considerations, opportunities, solutions, common themes across industries. But also, we're not alone in this. We can lead the way together.
Most it's the people that are facing the customers every day. What difference this can really make in reality, where the pain points are for the customers, what we can do better as a team to make life easier for our customers to do business with us, and really communicate in a way that means something to our customers.